The final beam fit into place, the banner unveiled, signaling the backbone of the Norton West Louisville Hospital is in place.
850 South 28th Street. Our mailbox.
The mailbox and the address of the first hospital to be built west of 9th Street in more than 150 years. 500 beams, 600 tons of metal, bringing healthcare permanence to West Louisville for the first time in generations.
Statistically, 2 zip codes, 12 miles apart. Life expectancy, a decade different. A decade different. If you live in this zip code, your life expectancy is 70 years old. If you live in this zip code, it's 80 years old. We're in a community where your zip code is more of a determinant than your genetic code. But in Norton Healthcare, we're going to take responsibility for changing both of those.
Inside the walls, a 24/7 emergency department, inpatient treatment, operating rooms, imaging services, a retail pharmacy, and much more. For the hospital's chief administrative officer, Karenza Townsend, seeing the structure take shape is surreal.
It's amazing. It's the turning point here, not just for Norton Healthcare, but for West Louisville. We talk about the steel going up, and there's been, as we know, several opportunities where it was just steel. Today marks the next chapter.
A chapter built on the shoulders of the men and women who've worked inside the construction zone. More than 200 people who've bolted down the beams, been a part of the build, making sure this community is closer than it's ever been to having healthcare in the neighborhood.
Today's ceremony gets us one step closer to this hospital saving lives, closer to better access where you never have to take 2 buses or drive 2 hours to get the care that you need, closer to these jobs being right here, closer to all the resources and opportunities that this hospital is going to bring.
It is going to be a wonderful symbol of the transformation that is beginning to take place in West Louisville and in other parts of our city, as we go from disinvestment to reinvestment.
A groundbreaking investment in the area of Louisville that needs it most. The framework of the structure now in place and ready for the next phase of work, preparing to become the backbone of the community in which it sits.